Hi, this is Sai Morton with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the forexpsummit.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpsummit.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody guys, let's take a look at the gold market as usual. So as you can see, just a few minutes ago we get the information that Trump has won the election, so it will become the president. This in fact the issue that we have expected, and we talked about it every time in every weekly research. Right now this really will lead to significant consequences for United States economy and for the country, because we think that the role of the United States in the global arena will change, and United States is expected some really significant changes in social sphere and in inner politics. So this really will become the great changes for the Americans. But our suggestion is that Trump is the better choice for Americans than the Clinton. So that's just our position, because Trump should focus on the inner problem of the United States and become the overall situation inside the country better than it stands right now. Right now, the United States are too busy with the external problems, with the global policy, and they mostly don't care about inner problems. Trump will change the situation, and we particularly in this moment we see the positivity for United States citizens. So in the beginning of the video, just two words on Australian dollar. So if you remember, we discussed the possible upward breakout here, but as you can see, since risk aversion has happened, the Australian dollar could be treated as some kind of the safe haven. So you can see, but mostly the setup that we have discussed is still valid, because you can see no breakout has happened. We said the market should stand above this line and keep this tendency of the higher lows, and this really has happened. So yes, market has shown the bounce down, but you can see upward direction already starting. So it's a reversal of this drop, the Trump in, and it's in general the tendency still stands, and I think that our analysis that we have prepared on Australian dollar is still valid. Sooner rather than later we will see the upward breakout here. Now let's go to the gold market. So here I just would like to say that nothing drastic really has happened as a result of the election. So the picture on Australian dollar is valid and our analysis is valid. Now on the gold market. On the gold market, guys, as a result, we said yes, the demand for the drop for the gold probably will happen. And take a look, it's interesting that right in the moment of this rally, grabber has been formed and market has skyrocketed. Right now it has hit 1340 area, major 618 resistance, and has reached the daily overbought. So this is short-term reaction on Trump victory. In general, we have discussed this moment recently. Currently, guys, I think that within a couple of sessions, nothing should be done on the market. Do not take any long-term positions. Probably it's better to focus on just tactical trades, or better to spend your time with the family, at least to the end of the week. Because currently, guys, it's just will be the huge wave on different analysts, analytics, who will just wash our mind with their opinion and what will happen and what we should expect and so on. CNBC and Bloomberg TV. So just stack your ears and don't listen to that. Just wait when just the wave of this noise will come down. It's probably at least till the end of the current week. So if you would like to trade on the gold market, but tactically, use the tactical setups, very short-term targets. For example, right now you can see strong impulse up. Market has reached a strong resistance area. Minor bounce now is standing on the way. Since impulse was strong, probably some minor continuation should happen. Maybe right back to the top, maybe slightly lower. This is some kind of the brand body. It's nature of the brand body, not the brand body per se by the Judd Napoli, but the nature is the same. We have the strong impulse up. Market right now stands at retracement. Some minor attempt of the continuation should happen. So that's the tactical trade. If you would like to take it, you could think about it. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, you could see a very interesting picture. First of all, take a look. I was suggesting yesterday was correct. So as market, as we said here, it's very minor reaction on the completion of this support. ABCD downward target. We said probably market will continue down. It's a strong gap down, and reversal could happen probably from the 1618 extension. That indeed has happened. So market has completed totally 1618 target and skyrocketed right after that. As a result of this rally, market has completed this large A, B, C bottom D patterns. You can see 100% extension, and now it's struggling with the double pivot resistance one, this monthly pivot resistance, weekly pivot resistance, daily average bar, and 1330 approximately the 618 resistance on the daily chart. Currently it's still unclear whether this will be short-term reaction or something greater will follow, but recall our discussion in the weekly research. We said that gold right now is very limited to the upside potential because the most positions, long positions, still stand on the hands of the investors. So they have no additional cash to buy more gold. Only some big shifts and big flows, big real events could trigger this intermarket flowing of the liquidity from the one asset to another. That will bring more liquidity. In this case, gold could increase the maximum value of the speculative net position, because right now it already stands at the high levels. We have posted the chart of the SPDR-Fund storages, so you probably, if you have read our weekly research, you know that. That's why, yes, market could continue move higher, say to previous tops around 1367, 3070 maybe, but we do not expect a really significant trend by far. So it means that, as I said, it's better to wait for a few sessions and let market to come down a bit, and just when this wave of the massive speaking analytics will flow out and just free space for normal market behavior. That's why, as I said, better to focus just on the some very short-term trades. For example, you could use this thrusting up action. This impulse has very nice momentum, and right now market stands in a minor retracement. So it's 3 supports, retesting this resistance. Maybe market will complete 13 even area, but after that some at least minor bounce here should happen as a result of this momentum, as the attempt of the continue of this momentum up. You could use this trade, but this is, as I said, very tactical trade, and so keep focus only on the very short-term trades, not marine positions right now. Or another choice is just to wait a bit and let market to come down a bit just till the end of the current week. So that's our view on the market. So mostly, guys, right now we need to estimate what it is. What is it? Whether it will get the continuation up, or it will be just short-term reaction, market will generate back down and turn to the downward action. Because in major picture on the monthly chart, we still expect the retracement, and even this rally, this action, hasn't changed the overall monthly picture. That's why we need to get some more clarity to understand bigger picture, to understand the direction the market is moving. From a tactical point of view, it's all clear. So you could use this rally for minor trade, speculative trade by impulse. So minor bounce for the $12, for example. But in the larger scale, we need to see the consequences of this rally, what really will happen, and how, by the way, on the market will react on the December Fed meeting. It's also important. So that's our current view on the gold market, guys. Let's see what we will get.